Go, friends and family of Georgia Fat Boys Mowing and Tractors. We're going to do a quick video on the skid steer quick attach on the loader. Walk over here to the tractor. There she sits. Here's the bucket. And there's the handles. So you pull these handles up like that. You can see right down there, there's a pin. Right there where my finger is. It goes through those two squares. Same thing on this side. And there went my sound. Anyway, let's hope that I'm close enough it can hear me. But anyway, you pull those two up. And then over here on the pallet forks, you can see down here, that's the sleeve that it fits in. That's the holes that pin goes through on both sides. So let's hook up the pallet forks. We're going to move something, but as I said, this is going to be quick. I'll turn this off once I get the pallet forks on. Roll the bucket up. Set the bucket down, throw the bucket out, bring it down a little bit, back it up, and out it comes. Let's go get the pallet forks. Good to go. That's how you hook up attachments to your skid steer quick attachments. SSQA is the way you'll see in this case.